Want to make your Facebook profile look more professional by adding your work experience? In this video, I'll guide you through how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture to open your profile page. This is where all your personal details are displayed. At the top of your profile, tap on the Edit Profile option. This will take you to a section where you can manage and update your information. Now scroll down a bit until you find the Work section. Under that, tap on Work Experience to continue. A new screen will open, and here you can start adding your job details. Tap on Add Workplace, then begin typing the name of your company. As you type, suggestions will appear. Just select the correct one from the list. After that, take your time to fill in the details like your job title, the city, and the time period you worked there. You'll also see an option to mark if you're currently working at that place. So toggle that if it applies to you. Once everything looks good, review your information for a second, and then tap Save. Your work experience will now appear on your profile for others to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.